So today I'm gonna give you some tips on how to upgrade yourself. When you upgrade yourself, it opens doors to different type of men, different friendships. Also, it builds your confidence. So let me give you some tips.
Know you with their friends, girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything.
First tip is to get education. If you're a college dropout, go back to school, get a degree. I know a lot of people say that education is not meant for everybody. I just feel like opposite. I love education. I'm in grad school. If you're new to my page, I'm just an advocate of getting an education. If you don't know what degree you want, I should just get a degree that's gonna end up making some money in the future, or you can also always fall back on it just to have a BA. For example, get a degree in hospitality, you can be a general manager at a hotel, stuff like that. Something that they're always going to meet a need for. So while you're in college, it's a perfect way to meet friends and also start dating. This is like the perfect place to meet men and friends, connections, my opinion. The next tip is to have a safety net. I know a lot of people are like, what? Wait, money is on your list? Yes, money is on my list. I suggest to have a savings account. And do not touch this account. This account is going to only be for emergencies. So you can calculate all your expenses for the month and have that in your savings account. 3 months of that in your savings account. And also start a 401k. If you don't have one, you don't know about it, do some more research. I also have a video on how I have a 401k, a Roth RA, and all that I talk about in depth. Mind you, I'm not expert on this. I'm just learning from TikTok University and YouTube University about that. So I suggest you still have it and start investing. You guys already know my method of investing. I suggest everyone starts investing as well. It's just a safety net, and I do. Yeah, I feel like it should be on this list. Like, why not? Okay, so we got those out the way. Now let's talk about self-love. And I guess I added this to the list too as well. You guys know I am a believer of solo dating, solo traveling. I love it. At first I was a little nervous about doing it, but I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, and I suggest everyone take some time out of their day or have a vacation or a meal. Do by yourself. Like, being by yourself is always good. Being alone is good, being lonely is not. So I suggest everyone take some time out, and it's perfect time to manifest. And manifestation is on my list as well. So manifesting, making goals for yourself, goals for right now, for the next couple of years, the next 5 years, and 10 years. Write down everything that you want in life. Write down everything you want towards in your life, and we're gonna work towards those goals. Going out, you don't know who you're gonna meet. So that being said, when you go out, always try to look your best. Like, I just started doing this. Like, when I used to go shopping, I used to try to wait to a special event to wear something. I don't do that anymore. Like, if I want to wear it, I'm gonna wear it that day, or what have you, planning out. So if you're going to get some coffee, you're going to class, always look your best. No bonnets or anything like that, but look presentable. And also 2-piece sets. That will be your best friend, because that is my best friend. It's my go-to. I'm obsessed with 2-piece sets. It's like you put so much effort in your look and you actually did not. So 2-piece sets. And if you see my day in life vlogs, I'm always wearing a 2-piece set. I was gonna wear one today, but you know, whatever. That is it on my tips on how to upgrade yourself. I know it was short, but I go straight to the point when I do my tutorials. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I don't niche down over here. I just literally talk about everything and anything about my life. I show you guys the ins and outs of running a business in a marketplace. Me and mom own our businesses together. Also, I do dating the lives. You guys see I'm in grad school, and I vlog about that. And also traveling, so you guys know I love to travel. So yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video.